Welcome back to Tech Goods, the channel where we bring you hands-on reviews and honest breakdowns of the best home upgrades, smart products, and design-forward solutions. In today's video, we are shifting focus to a stylish bathroom essential that can completely transform your space. We are talking about the Liljan 24-inch wall-mounted single bathroom vanity with an engineered stone top. If your bathroom needs a modern refresh or you are working with limited square footage, this vanity could be exactly what you need. Let's explore everything this unit has to offer, from its materials and design to functionality, installation, and real user feedback. The Liljan 24-inch vanity brings together a perfect mix of modern simplicity and rustic charm. Its standout feature is the engineered stone countertop in an Arabescato finish, which gives it a luxurious marble-like appearance with subtle veining and a soft white tone. The rustic wooden base provides contrast and warmth, resulting in a piece that feels both stylish and inviting. This balance of textures makes it an easy fit for contemporary, minimalist, or farmhouse-inspired bathrooms. If you are aiming for a refined yet relaxed aesthetic, this vanity delivers exactly that. One of the best things about the Liljan vanity is its compact size. At just 24 inches wide, it is designed for small to medium bathrooms where space is limited, but functionality is still important. The wall-mounted design creates a floating effect that opens up the floor, making the room feel more spacious and easy to clean. Despite its size, the vanity does not compromise on usability or storage, which is essential for everyday routines. It is a thoughtful design choice that prioritizes space without sacrificing visual appeal. The engineered stone top is one of the most eye-catching and durable features of this vanity. The Arabescato pattern looks elegant and refined, offering a marble-like aesthetic without the maintenance headaches that come with real stone. It resists stains and moisture, making it ideal for a bathroom environment. The Undermount ceramic sink sits centrally on the vanity, providing a clean, seamless look that is both functional and easy to maintain. This setup is great for keeping the surface clutter-free while still having plenty of usable space on either side of the sink. Storage is always a concern in small bathrooms, and the Liljan vanity handles it impressively well. It includes one soft-close full-extension drawer that opens smoothly and quietly, adding a sense of quality and comfort to your daily use. The drawer features dovetail construction, which not only looks premium, but also ensures durability over time. Additionally, there is a convenient flip-down tray at the top, perfect for organizing small items like toothbrushes, toothpaste, or hair accessories. This combination of compartments makes it easy to keep your essentials within reach while maintaining a clean and organized space. Another big plus is that the vanity arrives fully assembled. That means no flat pack frustrations or hours spent piecing parts together. Inside the package, you will find the mounting bracket, cabinet handles, and the Undermount ceramic sink. This greatly simplifies the installation process for DIYers or professionals alike. However, it is worth noting that some important components are not included. You will need to purchase the faucet, P-trap, drain assembly, mirror, and backsplash separately. This gives you flexibility to match the vanity with your personal design style, but be sure to plan ahead when budgeting for the full setup. Once installed, the Liljan vanity provides a user-friendly experience that suits everyday needs. The central sink placement offers balanced access from both sides, and the countertop has enough surface area for a few essential items like soap dispensers or skincare products. The soft-close drawer glides effortlessly, and the wall-mounted design leaves room underneath for foot space or additional storage baskets. This vanity is clearly built to make your bathroom routines feel smoother and more organized without taking up unnecessary space. In terms of materials and craftsmanship, the Liljan vanity holds up well under scrutiny. The engineered stone is not only attractive but also resilient against daily wear. The ceramic sink is easy to clean and resists staining. The soft-close hardware and dovetail joinery in the drawer are signs of thoughtful engineering and add to the long-term durability of the piece. Even with frequent use, the build quality feels solid and dependable, which is essential in high-traffic bathrooms. While the Liljan vanity checks most boxes, there are a few things to keep in mind before purchasing. Since it is wall-mounted, installation requires secure wall support, ideally into studs. If your bathroom walls are not prepared for that, you may need extra work or professional help. Additionally, with only one drawer and a flip-down tray, the storage might not be sufficient for households with lots of bathroom products. Finally, the absence of the faucet, drain, and mirror means more decisions and purchases are needed before the vanity is fully functional. Now let's take a look at what real users are saying. One enthusiastic reviewer wrote, "In love. Just get it. Don't think, just get it. Get your measurements and place your order." That kind of excitement highlights the strong impression this vanity leaves on buyers. Another user simply said, "Fantastic, looks great, makes the space." These reviews reinforce what we have found during this review. Customers appreciate the design, the space-saving form, and the high-end finish. It is a vanity that not only looks good online, but also delivers satisfaction in real bathrooms. The Liljan 24-inch wall-mounted vanity is best suited for homeowners or renters who want to upgrade their bathroom with a stylish, compact, and well-built fixture. It is ideal for powder rooms, guest bathrooms, or small master bathrooms where floor space is limited and elegance is desired. If you value quality construction, minimalist design, and modern features without a complicated installation process, this vanity deserves a serious look. It brings a luxurious feel to a small footprint and could be the centerpiece of your next renovation project. To sum it all up, the Liljan 24-inch wall-mounted single bathroom vanity delivers in all the right areas. From its engineered stone top and ceramic sink to its soft closed drawer and fully assembled build, it offers a hassle-free upgrade that adds charm and functionality to your bathroom. While you will need to source some components separately, the overall value is impressive. This vanity is a perfect blend of form and function, and if you are ready to transform your space with something compact yet elegant, the Liljan is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Tech Goods. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more home improvement reviews, smart product breakdowns, and stylish solutions for modern living. If you have any questions about the Liljan vanity or want to share your own bathroom makeover experience, drop a comment below. We love hearing from you. Until next time, keep upgrading your space and stay tuned to Tech Goods.